Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 222 demonstration model Toyota Yaris. This is the 1 litre petrol Luna model, finished in a silver metallic paint. The car is sold to the balance of the manufacturer's warranty. It comes with 3 free services and is entity exempt up until 2026. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front daytime running lights with front fog lights as standard. It's got the 15-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with brand new tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork. It's got a nice size spacious boot with 4-down seats for additional space also. There's plenty of legroom in the back. It's got the Isofix for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in a navy and grey cloth interior. It's got electric windows and electric mirrors. It's got the touchscreen radio with the built-in Bluetooth. It's got the reversing camera. It's got the air conditioning, USB port. It's got the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to give you access to Spotify, Google Maps, WhatsApp, etc. It's got the car SOS function in case of emergencies. There's just 5 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota Yaris make an ideal starter car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. So give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thank you very much.